welcome to Friday's Assembly. I always love Friday assemblies because it's a time of celebration of all the fantastic things that you've been doing over the last week. Now, the first thing that that we want to celebrate is the challenge that I set on Monday. Now, if you remember, the challenge was about recycling, and you were to create artwork or to create something new, upcycle something that you could use again. So in order to help us reduce and reuse and save the planet from the rubbish that we seem to accumulate every day. So let's have a look at the fantastic work everyone has done this week. Wow, lots of clever things, toys, planters, games, artwork, all of it was just fantastic. Things that I had not even thought about. So you must be so proud of yourselves for doing this. What you need to remember, children, is to continue doing that. Be creative like that. Think about how you can reuse and recycle the rubbish that you have around to make things that you enjoy using from now on. Now it's time for that very special part of our assembly where we give out some awards. And the first one is Going for Gold. Now, for Going for Gold, we always like to see some of the fantastic work the children have been doing. And we have a load of names today, so let's get started. We'll start with Oxford class. First in Oxford class, we have Louise. And Louise receives the Going for Gold award for the huge amount of self-respect whilst completing her home learning task. Well done, Louise. Now in Cambridge class, we have Abigail. Now, Abigail gets the award for consistently completing a full range of home learning at a high standard and returning it to her teachers every day. Well done, Abigail. You must be really proud of yourself. Now, in Edinburgh class, we have Marta. Now, Marta receives this award for her fantastic VE Day window decorations that she made for the Assembly Challenge last week. So well done, Marta. That was a lovely window. And also, one more person, Lottie Lou. Now, Lottie Lou gets this for persevering with her work for learning new life skills and helping her mom. Well done, Lottie Lou. Those are good things to be doing. In Cardiff 1, we have Oliver. Now, Oliver is continuing to do lots of work at home. His teacher is extremely impressed by how hard he's been working and how well he has been doing. Well done, Oliver. In Cardiff class, Cardiff 2, we have Chloe. And Chloe gets this award for her beautiful creation of a flower made out of fruit. Did you see it in the video earlier? Well done, Chloe. In Liverpool class, we have Scylla. Scylla has put in superb effort and attitude during all of her home learning tasks. And there's a second person. This one goes to Zach. Zach gets this award for his continued effort in his home learning challenges and participating in them weekly. Well done, Zach. Now, in Hall 1, we have Casper. Casper is getting this for his amazing recycling project that he made this week. And also, we have one for Nadas. Nadas gets this for his fantastic CVC work this week. Mom and Dad are really proud, and so am I. Well done, Nadas. Now, in Hall 2, we have Ruby Ann. Now, Ruby Ann is getting this award for her continued effort with her home learning. Well done, Ruby Ann. I enjoy seeing all the work that you've been doing. In York class, we have Hubert. Hubert is getting this for taking part in the different home learning challenges and completing his work packet. And we see a lot of Hubert's work on Twitter as well. So well done, Hubert. Now in Lee's class, we have Caden. Now, Caden is one of our summer starters. So he has started nursery while he has been in lockdown. And we're really proud of him and his mom because he has already been doing the work on tapestry and he's been counting objects that he found in his color hunt. Well done, Caden, and welcome to Newlands. In Chester class, we have Jake D. And he's been working really hard on telling time and on his speech and language activities. I'm very pleased to hear that, Jake. Wow, another great week for our Going for Gold Award recipients. Well done. I believe that all of you need a huge round of applause. Well done. Next, we have the Year of Respect Awards. And the first one is in Oxford class, and this goes to Miriama. Miriama is receiving this award for accessing Times Table rock stores frequently while we have been doing home learning. Well done, Miriama. Next, we have in Cambridge class, Oscar. Oscar has been finding so many different ways to keep himself busy, including helping his little sister with her home learning. I saw the video of you, Oscar, doing the obstacle course with your little sister. That was brilliant. Well done. In Edinburgh class, we have Leah Marie. Leah Marie is getting this for joining in on the Joe Wicks childcare provision and helping a child to count. Thank you, Leah Marie. I'm really pleased to hear about that. And Ellie receives this award for working hard on her home learning and taking pride in what she does. And so you should be proud of it. Well done, Ellie. In Cardiff 1, we have Caden. Now, Caden has started a fabulous project for COVID-19 time capsule. It's a fantastic reminder to show his appreciation to the key workers. Thank you, Caden. In Cardiff 2, we have Riley for keeping up with his reading at home. He doesn't give up even on the tricky words, so well done, Riley. In Liverpool, we have 2 people. The first one being Eric for his caring attitude towards the staff. Thank you, Eric. You know, we miss you all so very much, and it's really nice when you ask how we are doing. We really appreciate that. Thank you. The next person is Ella, and this is for her continuing attitude towards home learning and her super recycling elephant milk cartons. Those were fab. Did you see those in the video earlier? Weren't they amazing? Like Elmer, the patchwork elephant. Now, in Hole 1, we have Jack. Jack is getting this for his continued superb effort with his home learning and enjoying his relaxing times too. Well done. You really are a hard worker, Jack. In Hole 2, we have Freya and Amelia, and they getting this award for their amazing VE Day work around respecting heroes from World War II. In York, we have Emily for respecting the environment and growing her own plants. I'm doing that too. How are they doing? Mine, Now in Lee's class, we have Anna. Anna is receiving this for respecting the environment by making new wax crayons and a clock from recycled project materials for her recycle project. Well done, Anna. And in Chester class, we have Jake C. And this is for looking after his vegetable garden and new quail chicks. I bet you those are cute. Wow, another fantastic group of children showing us just why year of respect is so important and how well they're doing in it. So big thumbs up to all of you for the amazing work you've done. So another week is over. I can't believe it, but it is. We're supposed to have a nice weekend. Remember, keep safe, keep your distance, and take care of yourself and your family. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.